Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify to Roposo Clout. This powerful dropshipping app is designed to streamline your e-commerce operations, especially if you are focusing on the Indian market. It helps simplify product sourcing, manage your orders efficiently, and keep track of your inventory in real time. Connecting these two platforms can significantly boost your online business capabilities. To begin, you will need to install the Roposo Clout dropshipping app. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Shopify App Store. Once there, simply search for Roposo Clout dropshipping. After locating the app, click the Add App button and follow the on-screen instructions to seamlessly integrate it with your Shopify store. This initial step is quick and straightforward. After installing the app, the next crucial step is to register your Roposo Clout account and link it to your Shopify store. You will need to register for a free account within the Roposo Clout application and verify your mobile number. Once registered, you can easily link your existing Shopify store directly from the Roposo Clout dashboard, typically with just a few clicks. This establishes the connection for product synchronization. With your accounts linked, you can now effortlessly manage your products and orders. Browse Roposo Clout's vast catalog of over 100,000 items and import desired products directly to your Shopify store. Roposo Clout then automates the entire order processing, including packing, shipping, and delivery tracking. This allows you to concentrate on marketing and growing your sales, knowing that inventory and fulfillment are expertly handled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.